In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age in Google Sheets using date of birth, which involves a few straightforward formulas. If you're new to using Google Sheets or want to brush up on your skills, this video will help you understand how to compute ages automatically with just a few easy steps. First, let's begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already set one up, simply go to Google Sheets and either open an existing document or create a new sheet by clicking on the blank option. Having your own Google Sheet ready is important because it allows us to input data and apply formulas effectively. Once your sheet is ready, click on a cell where you want to enter the birth date. Let's say, for the purpose of this video, you want to use cell B1. Type the birth date into this cell. Make sure the format is correct. Google Sheets typically recognizes dates in the format like DD, YYY, or YYYY, depending on your regional settings. After entering the birth date, press the Enter key to confirm your input. Now, move on to calculating the current date. Click on another cell, perhaps B2, and type in the following formula: equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. This simple formula ensures that the sheet always displays the current date whenever you open it. Again, hit Enter to execute this formula. With the current date in place, it's time to calculate the age. Click on cell B4 or another cell where you'd like the age result to appear. Here, you'll enter the formula that will do the magic for us. Type equals dateif open parenthesis, then select cell B1 containing the birth date, followed by a comma. Next, select cell B2, the one with the current date. After the comma, type Y to specify that you want the result in years and close the parenthesis. Press the Enter key, and you'll see that the age, calculated in years, appears instantly. This straightforward process takes advantage of Google Sheets' built-in formulas to calculate the precise age based on the birth date and today's date. It works accurately and updates automatically, ensuring you always have the current age. Now you can manage age calculations without manual efforts, whether you're tracking ages for a group of students, members, or any other list. This method saves you time and reduces the risk of errors commonly encountered with manual calculations. Thank you for following along, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you harness the power of Google Sheets to automate age calculations. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to enhance your spreadsheet skills.